Aeroflot Flight 3519 was a Tupolev Tu-154B-2 airline flight on a domestic route from Krasnoyarsk to Irkutsk on 23 December 1984. Shortly after takeoff, the number 3 engine caught fire and the airplane crashed during an emergency landing. This killed 110 people, there was only one survivor, and the aircraft was destroyed. The engine fire was caused by a manufacturing defect in the compressor disc. On 23 December 1984, at 2:08 p.m. Aeroflot Flight 3519 took off from Krasnoyarsk Airport for Irkutsk Airport, a distance of 879 kilometers. The weather was clear with good visibility. The aircraft made a turn and climbed to 1,500 meters. Ground communication cleared the aircraft for a climb to 5,700 meters. 2 minutes and 1 second into the flight, at a speed of 480 km per hour and an altitude of 2,040 meters, the number 3 engine failed and caught fire. This was due to a metallurgical and manufacturing defect in the first-stage low-pressure compressor disc. The flight engineer mistakenly shut down the No. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.